I plugged my camera in for a Nike shoot last December. It didn't tether, except to Lightroom Classic, which Scott Kelby literally jokes about in his live webcast for constantly crashing. I've been a photographer since the 7th grade. Sometimes I can still smell the fixer on my hands. I miss those days of just watching the image come up like magic. That's when I fell in love with this. No money, no clients, just the craft. I went to Brooks back in the day. I have a vintage camera store. This is literally all I know. 15 years commercial. Apple, Nike, RH, Logitech, etc. And in those 15 years, I've paid Adobe and Capture One $3.5 grand. The moment I stop paying, it all disappears. That's not a license, that's a landlord. The kid in the darkroom didn't care about any of this. He just wanted to see the picture come up. Somewhere along the way, the tool stopped belonging to us. So I built the thing that should have existed all along. Tether Studio. $99 once. And only once. Go to tetherstudio.app, download your free trial. Let me know what you think. Own your own tools. Or you can keep paying rent.